In today's video, I'll show you how to mark messages as unread on Signal. First, open the Signal app on your device. Once on the home page, find the conversation you want to mark as unread. Then, tap and hold the conversation. From the menu that appears, select Unread. You will now see a blue circle on the right side of the conversation indicating that the chat is marked as unread. Keep in mind that this only marks the conversation as unread for you. If you already opened the message and have read receipts enabled, the other person will still see that you already read it. To turn off read receipts, tap the three dots menu at the top right. Then go to Settings. Finally, toggle off Read Receipts. And that's it. That's how you mark messages as unread on Signal.